ranking. Got to be happy with that. 2 tyres off. Oh, the boys are happy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was our final burnout of the night. And thank you all for hanging around. It's been a great show. Don't forget, we do have tomorrow, if you want to come down, our national aspirators and our 6th in the class. We'll do another round, and we'll see if we get a winner. Put all the scores together. Draw the entrance. One more drip car, you reckon?